Hey guys, now I wanted to help you guys out as far as putting your affiliate links into your website, your blog site, or wherever you're putting your affiliate links. And I looked all over the... Now, this, to some people this is obvious and they don't need to watch it. However, I found this a bit tricky. So what I want to show you how to do though is to make whatever words you choose to be your affiliate link. So the actual affiliate link is like hidden, and you don't see the link to you with your name in or whatever it is, and you just see, for instance, like here's my blog on Wealthy Affiliate Review, which I've done, and I've got a link. I'll show you a link to Wealthy Affiliate. I've got it in my clipboard so I can paste in here. Now what you do, guys, is sign up for Wealthy Affiliate. So what I want to do is make it so that that Wealthy Affiliate there is highlighted and they just click on Wealthy Affiliate instead of clicking on the actual link. So what I'll do is I'll put that in, but I'll take that away. What you do, guys, is you press that link. Now I'm in not the classical WordPress, but this would work on any one, as long as you got that link. So what I do is, okay, so you see how I've made that Wealthy Affiliate bold, okay? Then you put your link in. Now hopefully, if all goes well, when I click this, that Wealthy Affiliate, the words Wealthy Affiliate will be linked to, what did I see there? Will be linked to those words, okay? So let's try this. Now, see that? Now, man, I tried. I mean, this is obvious to some people. It's obvious, but I've only been doing this affiliate marketing for a while, and I couldn't find anybody. I mean, people probably, people that are au fait and computer whizzes, and just up with the play. But I just wanted to know how to make words, words your affiliate link, rather than actually seeing the affiliate link. Okay, so let's see if this has worked, guys. I'll hit save. And let's go to preview. And whammo! There it is. So let's have a look if it works. And see up there? That's my affiliate link, guys. Okay? And here is Wealthy Affiliate, so it's worked. Okay? Oh, sorry, you can't see that. See, so that's my affiliate link there, that 83 blah 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 1 whatever. Okay, so it has worked. So just to make sure, I'll show you the process again. So yeah, I think what these affiliate links are actually, the official name, if you ever want to know, is Contextual Affiliate Links. But now here, this is a whole blog on it. Now you can do it automatically. Unfortunately with this, And I've also read that to have automatic ones is not a good idea. And unfortunately in this whole blog, now what I mean, in case you're still not clear what I mean, is I'll just show you guys. You see here how when I go over that, you can click on it. That's what I mean. So if I clicked on here, you could there could be they might have a affiliate link going to whoever they've got a affiliate link with. Okay, so that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to know how to do that. I looked everywhere and I couldn't actually, probably because it's pretty obvious, but I thought I'd do a little video on it because, what's always obvious to some people is not necessarily obvious to other people. So, if you want to be able to hide your affiliate link and just make it so that you can tie or link your affiliate link to words in your blog. Tie your link to words in the blog. Where are we? I'll just show you again. Okay, so we've done that one. I'll just quickly go through the process again. Here. So here we go. See? Now, this is what I mean. If you want to hide all this, right? You don't want people to see that. You just want to say sign up for Wealthy Affiliate, and you want to make it so they click on the words Wealthy Affiliate. This is how you do it. So first of all, I'll copy that so we don't lose that. Then I'll hold on. Let's get rid of this and I'll show you once again. So what you do, guys, you hit this, I'll go like this, basically highlight whatever words, it could be down here, there, here, whatever, in here, highlight it, then put bold, then do that. Hold on. And then put in your paste and okay, so that's done it, guys. See? So before you can do it either way. You can highlight it after you put the link in or before. I tend to do it before, and then you hit save. Now preview, so this will be the second one down, and let's go and have a look. So there's the first one I did. Now here's the second one, see? And it's also tidier, it's just more efficient looking, I think, cleaner, crisper. Let's click on that just to make sure it works. See, now there's my link, my affiliate number up there. If you guys also, if you don't know about Wealthy Affiliate, one of the best websites out there for affiliate marketing. Okay, you get 2 free websites. So a bit of a plug while we're doing this for Wealthy Affiliate. They've also, guys, they've got as soon as you sign up, you can start promoting these guys. Okay, and you get 2 free websites, and if you join up with their premium program, you get 50 free websites. Okay, I've joined up with these guys. I've got 2 free websites and they work fine, no problem. So hopefully that's helped, guys. Took me a while to work all that out, you know, when it probably shouldn't have. But I thought I'd make a video because, you know, like I say, what's obvious to one person, or even most people, might not be obvious to others. Cheers.